Go.
Hi, I'm Garrett.
And I'm Ruth.
This is the Nexy-tar guitar effects pedal. So go ahead and talk.
So our hardware has 2 SPI and we have a timer. And so first we initialize the SPI and then we initialize the timer. And what the timer does, it just counts up for us every time there's a interrupt. And then we have these switches. And so our first switch, it will filter the input. So we have 4 FIR filters, and it goes from 0 to 1,000 hertz, 1,000 to 2,000, and 3,000 to 4,000.
Yeah. And right now it's preset.
It's preset right now, and so if the switch is on, it'll filter the input, and if not, it'll do nothing. So then, and then our second switch will, we actually use the cube root distortion function. Before we tried a tangent, and it didn't work as well, and then we tried a square root, and the cube root is one that sounded the best.
The transfer function for the distortion sounds better when there's less hard clipping at the top, and we found it was the best with the cube root.
And then our third switch is a slicer, and basically it kind of turns on and off the signal, and yeah, so it makes a cool effect. And then our fourth switch is an auto fader, so then it'll sound like that.
Yeah. We can do some epic eerie stuff with it.
Yeah. And then our fourth switch, it has a lot of.
Oh,
it shows a guitar and a bass at the same time when you play it.
Yeah, it's a pitch shifted harmonizer. So you undersample the signal in order to create a lower frequency version of that signal. And so if you put those two signals together, you get it.
You can hear both the guitar and the bass kind of sound. And then our last switch is for noise cancellation.
Yeah, that's a noise gate. That's just a rolling. Yeah, so put the noise gate on and it sounds better.
Yes.
Yeah.
I broke it.
Oh, we went through all of them.
Okay.
Okay.
And then this, should we?
Yeah, talk about the construction.
Yeah. This is our circuit, and basically it's an op amp, and we have it going through the negative rail where it attenuates, and the positive rail it acts like a voltage shifter. So then, because the guitar signal is about 2 volts peak to peak, but it goes negative, and our Nexus board can't take negative voltage, so we shifted it up, and
we attenuated a little bit too.
Yeah, and then. So basically the guitar comes in and it goes to the A to D, and then it goes through the Nexus and we go through process it, and then it'll output through the D to A.
Okay, cool.
That's a speaker.
Great, nice work guys.
Thanks.